Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the coolest hammer I think I've seen. Let me open this up here. It's all taped up, so it's going to be a little bit difficult to open it. Oh, it came with some sandpaper. Okay. So, oh my gosh, it weighs a ton. Look at this. This is a hammer, and it's got a fist. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, that's so heavy. Okay, and then inside of it we have a little leather carrying case so we can put on our belt, so belt loop. So we can go ahead and stick it in there, and it'll have a little fist on it there. And it came with some sandpaper. I guess if we wanted to sand down the shaft for it, we're able to as well. But look at how strong this is, man. This thing is heavy duty. This thing would just bang anything. I don't have anything to hammer necessarily, but man, it's got some beefiness. So it is a solid metal fist and just a cool looking hammer all around. So if somebody needs a hammer, and this is great for the handyman in your life or just anybody. And I mean, it's heavy, but it's not unusable heavy. I'm used to just using those little dollar store ones. So this one here has got some beef to it compared to that. But yeah, it would just totally hammer something into the wall, totally easy. And I like it. It looks awesome. It looks so cool. So if you need a hammer and you can just hang it up even in your workshop to look cool. It looks cool. Seems like it's really well made. It's got a good solid shaft on it as well. So I'm going to say this is a winner here. I love it. I like this one. Totally cool. Thumbs up.